Welcome to the another video from Simple Networking. In this video, we are going to see how to schedule and reschedule and delete the meeting in the Google Meet. Okay, the options are simple. First, we need to go to into the Google. Okay, so once we into the Google page, okay, so we need to sign in. So sign in with the Google account. So once we log in into the Google account, so we can click this Google app. From this Google app, we can click Meet, or we can type Google Meet into the Google. Okay. So if you select this link, we will get this home page. So once we get this home page of the Google Meet, we have three options. If you select the meeting, okay, create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, scheduling in the Calendar. So I will explain one by one. So create a meeting for later in the sense like we are creating a meeting in advance. Let's say like 1 p.m. we have one meeting. So we want to create the meeting in 1 hour advance, like 12 p.m. means we can set up a meeting in this way, and that once you click it, okay, we will get the url. This url or this link we need to share to the other participation, so from there they can join it. So I will just show you into the demo. So if once they get the link, right, so they need to source this link into the any Google Chrome or any browser. So they will get this option like join the meeting, present something. They need to join the meeting. Once they click the join the meeting, they are into the lobby. Okay, this is first option. Second option is like start an instant meeting. Like we need to create a meeting instantly, without any advance or without setting any Google Calendar something. So if you search this, if you select this option, the meeting will be start instantly. Then we can invite the people via Gmail using mail ID, or we can copy this link and we can send it from any WhatsApp or somewhere. So if you want to add the people, we just click add other options. So once we select the other option, we will get the list of email ID. So once we select the email ID, the mail will be sent, the link will be sent to the respective person on the email. Okay, this is second option. So now I'm going to explain scheduling in the Google Calendar. Okay, so in this one we will see how to create the meeting, how to reschedule the meeting, and once we create and schedule the meeting, how to delete. So these three items we are going to see in this one. Okay, so first I'm just going to, we need to give the add title in the sense like subject line. So I'm just giving the subject line demo for Google Meet. Okay, and I'm just giving the date and which date like we would like to keep this meeting. I'm just going to keep the date like tomorrow date, and timing also as we like. And we want to create this meeting in the any occurrence like 2 days once or weekly once or according to our requirement. If you select this all day option, we have some customs option. From this customs option, daily, if you want to keep this meeting in daily means like daily, so what is the time and what is the date, something we can choose. From there the meeting will be scheduled daily. And if you are keeping this meeting any specific location or specific place, that place we can add it here. Okay, and if you want to keep this meeting notification that means peer, okay, we can manipulate this timing as well. And if you want to invite the people, so just click add guests and add the type Gmail ID. So once we type their Gmail IDs, okay, the notification will be sent. And finally we need to give the description, and if you want to add any attachment, we can add attachment or description, whatever we can. So I'm description also I'm just going to keep like demo for Google Meet. Once it is done, just save this option. Once it is saved, so that this will be keep, because I kept it as the all the day, right? So hence it is scheduled it for the all the day. Okay, so now once you click this option, okay, we can send this invitation as a email. So just click and type the email ID and they type the subject line. So this will send us an invitation, will send us a email. Or we can copy this high URL, and this URL you can send it to the participation. From this URL also you can going to, they can able to join. Okay, now how to reschedule the meeting. Okay, so this is also very simple. So just go to Google calendar.com. Okay, once into this page, okay, so just click this meeting. Okay, click this option. Okay, even notification. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is like so I'm just keep as daily, right? I want, instead of that, I just want to keep it like, don't repeat again. So don't repeat, right? Only this time I just want to keep this meeting. So once it is see, okay, so if you see here, previously there was all the meeting was there, now only one day was there, right? So in this option we can reschedule the meeting, or if you want to keep any modification of the subject line or what are the timing on whatever you want to do, same option, you just right click. Okay, so once we right click, edit event, from this option we can do the all the modification. So now I'm going to cover the third item, so how to delete the meeting. So delete the meeting also same way, go to calendar.google.com. So we will get this option. So once we get this option, just right click. Once we click the right click, delete. So from this option also we can delete it. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to understand how to create, delete, reschedule, okay, and how to create the meeting instantly. Okay, meeting for later, scheduling in the Google Calendar. So this all items we have covered this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please write it into the comments. Thank you for watching.